7 years ago. It means that your virginity was taken recently. Almost sit down. Who and who have been having sex with you that you know? The girl did not mention Baba Gesha. Okay, good. Who had sex with you? Who took it? He said, but Damilola. Who is Damilola? It turns out to be one Damilola Adekola. That Damilola Adekola is princess, like a brother to her, and living in the same house with them, a neighbor. Who else have been having sex with you? She said, the security of our house, that they used to call him Bodao Kili. The police swung into action. And they went for the two of them. But unfortunately, the security of the house ran away. Then they apprehended Damilola Adekola. He told him it's Tashi Onipe. Now, they made the whole noise everywhere out about it. And then the case started. One arrested Damilola Adekola. Cut the beresin, call the court to. What the Damilola Adekola, on the Fumbe, on the law. On the Bagisha Adekola. Because I am now like, if Damilola Adekola was brought to court, today we can statement to Damilola Adekola, and it is, we have it on a file. Only, yes, girlfriend only. Girlfriend any, and you are having sex with her. He confirmed, he didn't even deny that you're having sex with her, because evidence say what? At the end of the day, your princess lied to the whole world that Baba Gesha bought money soon when she was 7. That was why, at the first court, Baba Gesha, they removed that Baba Gesha bought money soon. That is not guilty. Okay, he should be found guilty of, touching a minor and all of that. He said, no. What is there is this. Princess knew that that girl is not 14. And Damilola Adekola knows that she is an adult, but she is a young adult. At the end of the day, football age. And Lagos State government has got right to pursue the case because 14 lekpe. And they are like, you know what? You are not meant to what? To be sexually attracted to a child or a minor. For that reason, you will go down. Where is the age? Where is the proof of the age? The law says, before you can sentence anybody for sexual abuse of a minor or sexual assault of a minor, the evidence of age must be established first. Because somebody might look like an adult, but they're a minor. Somebody might have features of an adult and she's still a minor. And somebody might look like an adult, like a minor, and she's an adult. Jojo, the best thing is to get these 3 things. One of them is you need to get a birth certificate. If you don't have a birth certificate, there must be the mother to testify, or any adult that was there where the child was birthed, and that the one verified from where the child was birthed, they will have a record. In the absence of that, the law says medical test. None of these 3 was done. And they are still saying Baba Gesha is guilty because the girl is not up to 18. And another thing is this. Tell me about Osonibe. I know what is going on. Every other person might pretend, oh, it's about a child abuse. We must kill it. I am saying you cannot use lies, deception, punishing you for your own personal anger. Now, you claim somebody is 14. You did not show the proof. The government did not say, you need to bring the proof. The noise is everywhere. Fine, you might have set the man up. But you tell me what's princess, you see that the girl is 14. And you go to life imprisonment, you have life imprisonment, be made this better. Or because of 18, you want to get your low. You want about shocky, get the song for Baba Gesha. Because the song Baba Gesha, and you know, you are a flirt, but flirting is a social culture. It's not a crime. But you need to be careful. Are you know what I'm saying? You set him up for flirting by using a young adult, told him go features of Abalada. And to watch when it 14, it is evident that you coached the girl for sexual abuse. Sitting a child down, sitting a minor down, say, I want you to have sex with this person. I want you to open your body for this person to do it. I want to record it for whatever purpose is a criminal offense punishable with life imprisonment. And the girl confirmed in court when she was asked, my dear, they said Baba Gesha hurt you 7 years ago when you were 7 and you are traumatized. And that when you see Baba Gesha in TV, you always shake. It's affecting your education. Now, let's play this video. You saw Baba Gesha now in your house. You are no longer shaking. That your mother, princess, your foster mother, said, come and close the door. And you went to close the door. See the video. And you did not go into your house angrily. You did not go and sit in another chair. Why did you go and sit beside Baba Gesha? The girl said, I will not be in the camera. They said, not be in the camera. Were you told about the camera? He said, yes. For what? He said, they said we want to shoot movie. Because Princess, there was evidence that was submitted in court. Now, Princess used in inviting Baba Ijesha for a movie. And then when he got there, he said it's a skit. That was what happened. And she could not get all the, I am sorry, I'm everything. She didn't get it natural. She installed a CCTV. At the end of the day, CCTV, Princess installed. They extracted. How many minutes the network your CCTV? Only me to tashi. But it is in that vein. Teba video one day. Videos were online. One normal game going to see here. And I'm like, okay now. The man is not like, I am seeing camera on my face. The only thing, I have an affair with the mother. The girls, do whatever with me, give me face. I didn't know. You are not meant to even entrap anybody. It's a criminal offense. But when you choose to even do it, if truly you are my friend, and you don't, they tell you I used to have something with a child, 7-year-old, when she was 7. If you want to know whether truly I am a pedophile, you will set me up with a child, 7-year-old, 5-year-old. If you set me up with a girl that has boobs, that is looking like a full-grown adult, somebody that is having sex already, that is no longer a right specimen. It is pure wickedness and evil. And I'm saying that you cannot use our law. You cannot use our courts to do this. It is gross human rights abuse to do this to an innocent man, because naturally he will be attracted to an adult female. Why would you, if you want to know whether truly he is always sexually attracted to a child, he would have used a child. That's not the fact that you will go to jail for using a child. Even using a minor, you are still going to jail. When they never come back, when they sound like 2021. Human rights is not for victims only. When any case comes up, you need to defend the rights of the victim, the defendant, and the public. That is the right of a prosecutor. You must protect it. If you do otherwise, it's just simply ego. It's simply criminality and rogue. You don't know the law. And you're not even supposed to be there to defend the law. And I stood on it. And I stood till the end. I will stand on it till the last. Because I know certainly that if that man is actually a pedophile, you can't escape it. It cannot escape it. But when you cook up something, you organize crime, and you are making me look stupid in my own country that, oh, we know the law better. And there's a portion in the law that supports organized crime. The only reason they are not saying it should be there, they say, okay, because the girl is not up to 14. Ask them, anybody, challenge them, anybody that can come with evidence that this is at the police station or in court, there is evidence of the age of the girl that they see. Come and show it to me. Then make it make sense to me. Why should the Aladikola be walking free? This is a country you want to leave your own child for, and you don't want to fight and stand up. Why should the Aladikola be walking free? Why is Okele still out there walking free? And the girl is looking at all those women and say, hey, won't bring a bay, and we call him Jafu. He knew later in 2020. He was me, but you bring it. It's the same house, the same security level. Okay, don't for me, no, to show you for me. Oh, no, she left for Bagesha. And one of our man, they mentioned that they mentioned none of these women is talking about it. They kept quiet. Make it make sense. Which part of the law? Is it not the same child right protection law? In the same case, same investigation, same victim. Can you have an investigation? When you know that investigation is not to find out the truth and the person that committed the crime, why did you go and investigate? When you not got who committed the crime and you ask the person to go? And you destroy the man's career because a woman is and you confess satisfy and walk on. And I said not to your life. You can sell the truth, lies to them. You can show the ego. You can allow them to use the name of Ashwadu to say, let us destroy. And these are artists that have campaigned and put their life on the line for the same person. What if you check? What if you are but you have a question. Because I want done it. But you have a comment here. Somebody said, chairman said your actions are giving you out to them. What does it mean? Your actions are giving you out. I don't know. The man that just left, that chairman. But your actions are giving you out to them. I don't get.
woman yẹn nìkan àti ètò bọ́lẹ̀ yẹn tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ tẹ́tẹ̀lẹ̀ ló sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa tó bá Bobby sọ àlókè mi yìí àti má tó wá yẹn they are very stupid people Bobby tó wà lókè yìí àti má tó bọ́lẹ̀ yẹn ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ ní àárọ̀ tó bá gé pé ò nẹ́nìtì ìpè nǹkan kan gbogbo kan tó máa ṣe aṣọ ló ń ṣe fún ìgbọ́n ọ̀n níjẹ ìrẹ́lífàtì ní ẹ́ gbogbo kan náà ṣe yìí wọ́n sọ yí pé ọ̀n lè aláwọ̀ ẹ ní court ìpè bàbá sáà yẹn gan kò dẹ́jọ́ ṣó ti yẹ pé nǹkan tí fàlàlà ṣe ní adédoyin àbí kí ló pè wọ́n ní ẹ kí sáà yẹn ṣe ìpè bọ̀ sáà yẹn ò lè rojọ́ ní court ìpè nǹkan tẹ̀ ṣe ìyásán ni àti bọ̀bọ̀ píìsì yìí ó tó àlókè mi yìí àti mátò wá yẹn gbogbo wọn lọ bá dé pẹ̀lú ẹ sórí nǹkan tó ṣó fún wọn yẹn sábìkẹ̀tẹ̀ tó ṣó fún wọn yẹn ọ ti gágọ̀pù ìpè ò nẹ́rìtì ọ ti gbàgbé gan ọ ti sọ̀rọ̀ ẹlẹ́dàá ṣó ti yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn inú mi dùn ṣó ti yẹ mo dẹ̀ wọ́n rẹ nǹkan tí yé ti yẹ dẹ̀ wọ́n rẹ ni kò ṣe àti tí mo wọ́n rẹ mo sọ pé 220 2 out of 20 má máa sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ jù pẹ̀lú wọn olóṣì ni gbogbo wọn.
bàbá ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ létí ń jẹ wọ́n máa gbóhùn.
ní sùúrù òtítọ́ olótìtọ́ kì í mẹ́yìn ṣó ti yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹ.